Front false first, that's it. Breaker secure. And latch engaged.
Next one coming in. Barcode clear. Scan in 2.
Steady, slide him over. Good boy.
Final read. Okay, 77. We're clear.
Tail side's clear. You can start on the underbelly.
Got it. Foam's holding up well.
Rinse in 3.
Copy.
Clean coat, no debris. Looks good.
Ready for lift when you're set.
Give it one last rinse. Okay, that's it.
Pulley looks stable. Fiber lattice is clean.
Good. Log it and I'll move it down the line.
Copy.
Grid resolution holding at 0.2, no micro tears.
Perfect. That's a keeper.
Final pass and certified.
Another flawless hide. Let's send it to cure.
Slide it forward.
Got it. Trade 2 ready.
Temps holding at -3, racks open.
Flipping for grade. Looks prime.
New carcass incoming. Keep the line moving.
Label's clean, seal looks tight.
Good. Drop it in and send the box down.
Carton 16 ready.
Thanks. Conveyor clear?
Clear. Starting next batch.
Pallet 2's almost finished. Robots are on pace.
Numbers look good.
Let's keep it that way.
Copy that.